Okay, we'll now go on to question 6. Jerry found an egg of animal X. After the egg has hatched, he observed the animal over a period of time and recorded his observations in the table below. The young resembles the adult answer is no. So you cannot have cockroach because the name of a cockroach resembles its young. Okay, then it lives in water at one or more stages. Answer is no. So it cannot be frog, it cannot be mosquito. So the only answer is option 2. Now let us check. It is a pest in one or more stages in its life cycle. Yes, because the butterfly is a pest in the caterpillar stage because it eats up the leaves of plants. Question 7. Susan observed 3 cells under a microscope and made the following observations. Which one of the following are correct? Both X and Z are plant cells. Let us see. To be a plant cell, they must have a cell wall. So, correct. So, without A, you cancel the option. Cell Y and Z cannot trap light, but cell X can. To trap light, they may have chloroplast. So, yes, only cell X has chloroplast. Cell Z does not have a regular shape, but cell X has. To have a regular shape, you need to have a cell wall. Cell Z does not have a regular shape, so this is wrong because cell Z has a cell wall. So, okay, now next one. Cell Y is the only cell that cannot make its own food, which is wrong. You see, Y and Z have no chloroplast, so it is not the only cell. So the correct answers are A and B. Now we'll look at question 8. The diagram shows the human digestive system. Which of the following statements is or are correct? Okay. R is the mouth, huh? Okay, correct. And now let me look. Digestion of food takes place in the mouth. R. The gullet, no. So this is wrong. Okay, so statement A is wrong. Digestion only takes place in the mouth, stomach, and small intestine. Okay. Water is removed from the undigested food in the large intestine. Yes, V is the large intestine. So B is correct. So without B is wrong. Digested food in tea is absorbed into blood. Okay. Digested food is absorbed into blood in the small intestine. So yes, T is the small intestine. So answer is B and C. Option 3. Question 9. The diagram shows the cross-section of the stem. Okay. Yeah, this one. Okay, so which of the statements are correct? Now, without Y, the food carrying tube, the plant is not able to make food, which is wrong. Without, okay, because the food carrying tube transports food. Okay, so you don't say that, all right? You should say without Y, the plant is not able to transport food. Okay, so A is wrong. Now look at B. X and Y are fine tubes that run through the leaves, stem, and roots. Yes, okay, these water carrying tubes and food carrying tubes are tubes that are found in all parts of the plant. C. The movement of food in Y can be both upwards and downwards. Yes, food in the food carrying tubes can be transported upwards or downwards depending on where the leaves are. So C is correct. Both X and Y ensure that water, food, and mineral salts are transported to the different parts of the plant. D is also correct. So best answer is option 4. Okay, now we go to question 10. Which one are correct? Okay, so for the correct statement, there are 30 organisms. Let us do a quick calculation. We have 15 plus 5, 20, 30. 30 organisms, correct. So A is correct. Dragonfly nymph forms the largest population. Okay, so for this, you have to take note. Make sure you actually count the adults and the young together. So for frog population, you have to count the 7 plus 3, which is 10. So frog is 10. So actually, the dragonfly nymph does not form the biggest population. So B is wrong. Okay, there are 5 populations of organisms together. Let us count. The frog population at 1, dragonfly nymph 2, pond skater 3, water lily 4, snail 5. So there are 5 populations, correct. Now, next one, there's only 1 population of plants in the school pond, which is the water lily. So it's also correct. So answer is A, C, and D.